Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to calculate the limits for the indeterminate functions. As we know, if a function f(x) is continuous at the point x0, then its limits equals the function value. For example, if we want to calculate the limits at x equals 3 for the function f(x) equals 3x plus 5 divided by 6 times x squared, because the function f(x) is continuous at point x equals 3. So the limit at this point equals the function value. So we can directly plug in 3 into the function to get the limit, which is 7 divided by 27. However, today I'm going to talk about the special cases in which functions have indeterminate forms, such as infinity divided by infinity, 0 divided by 0, infinity minus infinity, or 0 times infinity. At first, I'm going to talking about infinity divided by infinity case. For example, limit 9 times x squared plus 7x minus 10 divided by 3 times x cubic minus 3, with x approaches to infinity. As you can see, both numerator and denominator approach to infinity with x approaches to infinity. Usually, you should divide the highest x exponent in both numerator and denominator. In this case, is x cubic, so we divide x cubic in both numerator and denominator. Then we can get numerator as 9 divided by x plus 7 divided by x squared minus 10 divided by x cubic. The denominator becomes as 3 minus 9 divided by x cubic. So with x approaches to infinity, all three terms in numerator becomes 0 and the denominator has 3. So we get the limit for this function is 0. Alternatively, we can use y to replace x. For example, you can use y equals 1 divided by x. So with x approaches to infinity, which equals y approaches to 0, then this function will become 9 divided by y squared plus 7 divided by y minus 10, and the denominator becomes as 3 divided by y cubic minus 9, with y approaches to 0. Then we multiply y cubic in both numerator and denominator. Then we can get numerator as 9 times y plus 7 times y squared minus 10 times y cubic, and the denominator becomes as 3 minus 9 times y cubic, with y approaches to 0. All three terms in the numerator becomes 0 and the denominator becomes 3. So we get the limit for this function is 0. Thank you for watching.